Hello guys, good morning. And so welcome again to our channel. So karon natay duha ka book finish and timing before nato na-release nagkaabot ni sila duha, no? So we can show you the plain setup of our unit. Plain lang siya, 4x2, single at saka double. You know? And so this one is single cab 4x2 na Hyundai Porter 2. Yan, white black. So ito yung sample setup ng plane. And yung bed niya is 10 feet. So yung haba nito from here to there, 10 feet siya. This is really good for hauling services. So kung na may pangkarga, and very good for business. Check natin yung loob. So ito yung nasa loob, guys. Oh. Yan. So manual transmission. Then ang nakaganda nito, guys, is hindi na siya converted. So as is yung kanyang steering. Kasi nga sa Korea, kung ano yung location ng steering natin dito, same din sa Korea. So ito yung one of advantages of Korean surplus. Yan. Tapos dito sa likod naman, yan, as you could see, may back seat pa yan. You know? So you still have enough space for you to have your things, put it in here. You know? Ako pa kaya na siyang space. Then we have 3 seaters here. So sa mga nagtatanong, yung single cab natin, yung capacity is 3 seaters. So you can carry up to 3 persons. So pag dalawa lang naman kayo, then you can just pull it up. Pulled. Dako pa sa likod, oh. Then you still have space here. Ganito, hindi naman lahat ng unit may ganito, but most of the units have this. So pwede pa ma-open. Pang ano siya, extra space. Tapos na pa dito sa loob dito. So ito yung inside design of our unit. So this one is Hyundai Porter 2 intercooler turbo. Turbo intercooler yun, guys. Then timing chain. So isa din yung advantage natin is timing chain. And sa mga nagtatanong, so yung ating gross capacity is 27 and net capacity is 1,350, passenger is 3. So technically hindi siya kasali sa truck van, although 6 wheels siya. Then ito naman, this is already sold out. Hinihintay na lang natin na kunin ni customer. Tapos ito naman, guys, so ito yung double cab. So both have the same design, the same color combination. So sa ibabaw is black, then sa baba is white. So ito is double tire din. So ang kaibahan lang, pag single cab is 10 feet, pag double cab is 7.3 feet. Ito is 7.3 feet. Then size 15 yung gulong sa unahan. Sa likod naman is size 12. So ito yung sample naman ng plain setup. Tapos double cab, double tire, 4x2. So this will be bound for Luzon. Taga-Luzon yung buyer natin. So hinihintay na lang natin yung plate number at registration. Tapos ito, ready na siya padala, shipping. So 2010 model. Yan, ito yung nasa loob. You know? So ito yung design ng ating chair. Yan, sa loob. Yan. So both have timing chain. So timing chain din to. Kasi nga Hyundai Porter 2. Tama na yung sample sa tong ceiling. So we retain the original. Actually maraming nag-request kung pwede pa daw to upholstery. May mga design sa ibabaw. But I would not recommend that. Kasi nga ito is really designed to absorb heat. So pag medyo mainit, yung heat niya pinipigilan niya para pumasok. But pag may mga ano na siya, yung upholstery, maganda yung design. Problema is pag absorb ng heat, dito na siya magstay sa loob. So pag ikaw yung driver pasahero, medyo mainit yung sa bandang ulo mo, tapos dito malamig yung aircon. So that's the reason na yung mga ceiling namin is ano siya, original. So same lang lahat na mga brand new na mga unit, mga SUV. So ganito yung design because the nature is really to absorb heat. I mean to prevent heat going inside. So yun lang. So in terms of pricing, ito is 350 double cab, 310 yung single cab natin. Yan. So ito dalawa. So pag hanap nyo naman is walang mga design, plain setup lang, affordable, then you can have this type of design. You can select your own color kung ano yung gusto nyo. And then if you have gusto nyo naman na mga may design na mga unit like mga inclusion canopy, yung grills, those stainless, then those are additionals and it would add up on the price exact or the total price of the unit. Yan guys. Okay. So yun lang. You know, so thank you so much.